Hey guys! Today, I'm introducing a product to you, which is this rear sunshade. Friends who often drive Teslas should know that we often encounter the intense afternoon sunlight, which can be harsh on our eyes. This is a sunshade that is easy to install and remove. It is fixed conveniently using 3 meters adhesive, so there's no need for drilling holes. You just need to peel and stick it on by aligning it properly. The connection between the top and bottom is secured using this adhesive. You can hang it first, then peel off the 3 meters adhesive, lift it vertically, and stick it to the top. This ensures the accuracy of the placement. When you stick it on, you can press it lightly for about 30 seconds to ensure the adhesive fully sticks. Once installed, you can simply push your hand upward like this to achieve sunshade. When we don't need it, we can simply peel off this layer of felt without removing the 3 meters adhesive. The upper hanging hook can also be retained. Now let's install the other side. Same method, start by wiping with a towel. Peel off the 3 meters adhesive. First determine if the door handle sunshade is for the left or right side, then install it according to the direction shown in the video. Remember to carefully observe how I align the sunshade correctly before installation. Only by doing so can you ensure the accuracy of your installation. If you're uncertain, don't peel off the 3 meters adhesive first. Perform a simple comparison first. If you enjoyed my video today, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching.